So just wanted to tell you about the next thing I'm going to work on. Is a pine writing box, which is in a bit of a state. Got it over a year ago, and it's just been sitting around until the workshop was finished, and now I can get it in. So yeah, sit down, relax, and watch this pine box get sorted out. Thankfully, most of these are just going to be a clean up. This one I'm replacing the drawer pulls as well, and then giving it a good layer of protection with some wax.
Were there ever really better days? Or is it just a sentimental haze? A blanket safe and warm, a shelter from the stormy skies. The fights are all forgotten in the mist. The lonely tears are lost in the abyss. The grass is always green, the house is always clean. The smiles never seem to fade. Were there ever really better days? In photographs of sepia and gray, the family huddled tight beneath the perfect light of dusk. Stand before the camera and say cheese. And for the slightest moment we all freeze, with smiles open wide. We're frozen there in time, our sorrows hidden deep inside our minds. Were there ever really better days? Or are they just a mirror that we made? Stare it in the eyes, shatter